Yo, what is up guys? PC Prodigy here, back again with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you the first parts of my PC build. My PC build is $700 budget, and we honestly have pretty good parts for a $700 budget. So I'm just gonna show you what my parts are. So right over here we have a B450 Plus Prime motherboard, Asus Prime motherboard. Alright, so yeah, we have a Asus Prime B450 Plus motherboard. Comes with Aura Sync. Then over here just shows us a little thing of the motherboard, picture of the motherboard. So now let's get this thing unboxed. Oh, and I already unboxed this, but it came with, or it didn't come with, but I also got 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM. So, yeah, let's just get this thing open. Actually, I'm going to tell you the features of the motherboard before I actually show you it. It comes with, it supports Ryzen 2nd Gen, HDMI obviously, VR ready, that's nice, over voltage protection, stable power supply, stainless steel back I/O, surge protected networking, and a safe slot core. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah. And it also supports Aura Sync. So yeah, getting this thing opened. I don't really think that you can see it because it's still wrapped in the plastic, and I don't want any of that static electricity getting stuck or getting into the motherboard and just messing up all the components inside of the motherboard. So yeah, there we go. And then, yeah, that's basically it, I guess. Let's just show you the features of this Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM. It supports Intel Core i7, but that doesn't really make any sense because it just goes into a motherboard and it should support anything. So yeah. 3000 megahertz, 2x8 gigabytes of RAM. So each stick 8 gigabytes of RAM. DDR4, obviously. Low profile memory. High performance. It's built for high performance overclocking. Yeah, that's basically it. That's all I have to show you guys. Oh, and let me tell you about the feature parts. I'm getting a TUF PC chassis from Asus. That's supposed to be really nice. And then I'm going to get a 600 watt power supply from EVGA. It's the BQ, I believe. And then, so that's gonna be nice. Then we're hopefully going to get a Ryzen 7 2600 CPU that comes with the Wraith Spire cooler, because the Wraith Spire cooler is easier to install than like the newer CPU coolers that come with the 3rd gen Ryzen CPUs. So yeah, and then I want to get a $70 SSD, Samsung SSD. It's gonna be 500 gigs, and it's not an M.2, it's like a big regular sized SSD. So yeah, those are basically all the PC parts that we're going to be using in this build. Oh, and I forgot one. Wait, I think I already said RX 590. And yeah, we're going to be getting a RX 590 for the graphics card. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And the next video is probably going to be next week when I get the PC case and the power supply. Then I'm going to get the SSD, graphics card, and the CPU. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.